Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this video, we'll see that how we can freely install any of Autodesk software. Right now, we'll go with Revit 2021. Right now, you can search by Autodesk Revit 2021 free trial download, and this is ad, so you can click on that one as well. You can go right there. But right now, I'll go with the proper website. You can see Autodesk.in products Revit free trial. I'll click on that one. Right here, this kind of option will be opened at your screen. You can see download free trial. Click on that one. This requirement, it will ask that it require Windows 64-bit. Free trial size will be 16 GB, and there are a lot of things as well. But it does not take that much time if you are comparing with cracked version. So it will be good. If I click on next, right here, you can see I will be using this software as drop it down. I'm selecting a business user. You can go with student or teacher, whatever you want. But in that case, you need to provide your educational certificate in that situation. I'm going with a business user and I'm selecting language as India, English. Let me check. Do we have? No, I guess we should go with English US only. Click on next. Right here, you can fill the company name. I'm filling Alpha, the state, Rajasthan, and you can fill your details right there. Let me fill, that's fine. You can fill any company name. It's like you have to provide that data only. It's not like that, it should be registered only. Click on begin download. Right now you can see on the screen there are a couple of options it's highlighting, like CAD. You can go with the AutoCAD as well, Civil 3D as well, Navisworks Manage. There are a lot of options as well that you want to uh, try or you wanted to install freely. So those things we can do as well. Right now at the bottom you can see it is downloaded. If I'll click on that one, this one, double click on that one, this kind of option will be open. Click on yes. It'll take a little bit time. It'll install automatically in our Revit, in our PC. So let's see how much time it'll take. Yeah, it's starting. It's free of cost right now. You can try till 30 days. Everything you can go with it. Every feature you'll get off Autodesk Revit, the actual Autodesk Revit, the already installed. Because right now I already installed Revit 2022, so that is why it is saying that 2022 is already installed. The same procedure you can apply with your system. Whatever you want to do. Right now I'm clicking on exit because I have already Revit 2022. I have created this video for educational purpose, so that is why I have done that thing. But right now, there are a couple of more softwares that you can install. I already installed Navisworks, I already installed Revit and BIM 360 as well. In BIM 360, I'll create separate videos on those ones. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.